The solar system is generating roughly 2,000 megawatt hours annually, and that's roughly 800 metric tons of carbon reduction per year. We can access real-time data, so we can actually see the solar generation and try to take advantage of that to match demand to the renewable energy that's available to us. Another really neat part of this solar array is we were able to design the CoorsTek logo into a layout. Safety has been a very high priority throughout the construction process, and we're very pleased that through the installation process there has been no recorded injuries. The Thailand team can be really proud to have this front and center. This is an extension of all their good work, their commitment to sustainability, resource efficiency, manufacturing improvements, and waste reduction activities. We want to do our part in reducing our footprint. And what better way to do it than with clean energy at a brand new facility. We are really pleased that this project is complete. This is just the start. We have goals and targets that we're really trying to make at the forefront of how we do business.